F100 World, guys. We got Huey Fab here. What's up, buddy?
What's up, dude? How are you?
You guys recognize him. He's all over probably all the socials. Got a good YouTube going up, as well as the podcast F100 Talk. But he's got something new. What do we got here, dude?
Yeah, man, this is look, for you small block guys, short deck, tall deck, right?
Yeah.
This is the tall deck mod motor. It's 5.4. Very similar to 4.6. Came out of a 03 Navigator. Todd Warren custom grind, Sullivan intake. All the good oiling and cooling components from the 03-04 Terminator, 07-08 GT500.
Where'd you get it out of?
I pulled it out of a junkyard in Knoxville for about $280.
What?
And then anyone who's ever bought 4 camshafts can understand about how much is in the top end of it.
So $200 was a good start, but after that...
after that it snowballed like every other hot rodding project. But it's, makes right around 400 and a little bit of powder coat, some cleanup on a junkyard motor.
Wow. What are you going to do to it next?
Well, no, it's a good question. So the bottom end still got, the 5.4s and the Navigators, similar to when they brought the GT500 back. Kellogg crank, Molly pistons. Still got powdered cracked rods, but several people have seen them live, around 600.
Okay.
So it's got a little bit of room there. I've never had a turbo car. So
that's the next. That's what you're thinking.
I've had Pro Chargers, Vortex. I've had Roots blowers. Yeah. So just the turbo sounds are worth it, right? So
that's cool.
I don't know though. We'll see.
It's a lot of work, but man, if you can make it work, you'll be one of the few,
there's
ones with this motor with a freaking turbo.
There's a few of them here.
What?
It's kind of surprising.
With turbos?
No, not with turbos.
Okay, that's what I was.
But there is a black '67 twin turbo with the same motor that he's been here before, but I hadn't seen him this year.
Yeah.
It's a really nice truck.
That's cool. Hey, how can people find this truck? Like, look at it
on Instagram, Huey Fab.
Okay.
And on YouTube, Huey Fab the same. So
I like your YouTube videos. They're real.
I'm slacking.
But
bad this year.
Yeah, no, but I meant like when you make them, they're real. You're I'm gonna go start my truck. And,
well, there wasn't. When a lot of us started building these trucks, there wasn't a lot of content out. And now there's a ton.
Yeah.
And sometimes it gets a little saturated with the theatrics.
I think that's why people like the genuine posts now, or the videos. It's like they go a little too far. Then that's cool. Well, this is cool. Can we hear it start?
Yeah, I'm fired up.
Cool.
Exhaust is over there.
Okay. Awesome. Hey guys, check out Huey Fab. He's got some pretty cool stuff. See you, buddy.
Man.
Thanks.
See ya.